Welcome back. Hobart Hurricane versus Sydney Sixers BBL match number 1. The match will be played at the Bellary Oval, Hobart. The pitch will be batting track. Three new rules have been introduced by the Big Bash management. The rule number 1 is a power surge. Generally, we have witnessed that a 6 over power play have been taken by both teams of the game, but 4 the 6 over power play became 4 over mandatory, and the remaining 2 over power play can be taken after the 10th over by the batting team's wish. And the second new rule will be X Factor player. Apart from playing 11, the teams can take an extra two players, a 12th and 13th player, but they should have been replaced with the playing 11 players. They can be substituted only after the 10th over. Also, the substituting player should not bowl or bat more than 1 over. If you're watching a football match and playing a football fantasy, you can easily understand this rule. Bash bonus. Bash bonus is comparing a 10 over scores by the both teams, and whichever team is scored extra runs comparing to 10 overs from the both side can get the bonus points. In Hobart cricket problem, we have Jacks and Dorothy Shorts as opening batsmen, and the team will be led by Peter Hanscom in the absence of Matthew Wade. And I can pick two batsmen. If you want me to pick two outstanding batsmen from the team, I can say that Dorothy Short and Colin Ingram are very experienced, highly experienced players. When it comes to domestic cricket, especially Big Bash, if you have witnessed Big Bash each and every year, you can understand how important player is Dorothy Short. He also can bowl 2 to 3 overs as well. His domestic record is very good, and last year he have taken 5 wickets also. So in today's match, I can say that Dorothy Short, Colin Ingram, and Philip Pay, the three main players of today's game, and Mac Wright is selected by only 1%. He is also a very important player. Last year he scored 250. He had been selected by only 1% of people. So you can try him in your Grand League teams. If suppose he listed at one down, definitely you can take him because last year he played at one down only. In Sydney Sixers problem, we have Philippe and Vince as openers, and this team will be led by Daniel Hughes. Hughes generally opening batsman. Last year he played at a number 4 or number 5 due to his poor form, but this year he is the captain, so there is chances for him to open along with Philippe, and Vince can play at number 3. Avendano and Edwards both are kind of opening batsmen. Both record was poor, so I'm not interested in them. And Dan Christian is a kind of a champion. Wherever he go, whichever team he plays for, the team easily winning the championship titles. So he's a very important, very experienced all rounder who can bat well, who can hit well, and he's also very good with the bat. These are the five frontline bowlers of the team. And if suppose any bowlers goes expensive, you can definitely expect Dan Christian to bowl at least 2 overs. In this team, fast bowlers are good. Dwarshius, Sandhu, O'Keefe, Spinner. These three players also can bat well, and 36-year-old left arm spinner O'Keefe and 21-year-old Pope leg spinner, both record was not impressive. So in this team, fast bowlers are good, spinners are poor. In key players, we have Short, Jacks, Hanscom, Ingram, Faulkner, Meredith. If you want to try out a different bowler, I can recommend a bowler for your team. And in Sydney Sixers, we have Philippe Hughes, Vince, Dan Christian, Brathwaite, Dwarshius. There is chances for Brathwaite to bowl all 4 overs. So taking if you feel Hobart will win, then taking Brathwaite is and Dwarshes is enough. In best small league captain and vice captain choice, if you feel Hobart to win, then Darty Short and Dan Christian will be the very good captain and vice captain choice. You can also try Felipe as VC as well. If you feel Sydney Sixers to win today, then you can make Felipe as captain and Ingram and VC. Best Grand League team captain and vice captain choices. Let's move on to Grand League team combination. We have 7 Grand League teams, 4 Grand League teams to Hobart to win, and 3 Grand League teams to Sydney to win in Team 1. In Team 1, we have Darcy Short and Christian as captain and VC. In this team, I have taken big risk by dropping Felipe. According to this team combination, we have to drop Felipe. Don't take Felipe. You can take other players as well. You can replace Hughes with Brathwaite if you want. You can also try Botha if you want. He is the main spinner of a Hobart team, who is an off spinner, 38-year-old off spinner. In Team 2, once again I have taken risk by dropping Felipe. Hanscom is the single wicketkeeper for this team. Once again, you can replace Hughes with you can replace Vince with Dan Christian if you want. And once again, the Short as captain and Brathwaite as VC. In Team 3, Wiljax as captain and Christian as VC. In this team, I have taken a Felipe and dropped Hanscom. And this team also meant Hobart Hurricanes team to win. Hanscom might bat at number 4 and McRae. There is chances for McRae to bat at number 3. McRae have been selected only by around the 1% of people. If he plays well, if he and Jax and Ingram plays well along with Short, then there is no need to bat for Hanscom. So in this team, Wiljax as captain and Christine as VC. There is also chance for Wiljax to bowl. He is a part-time off spinner. You can take Vince if you want for this team. Don't take Hanscom for this team. In Team 4, Hughes as captain and Hanscom as VC. In this team, I have taken both the wicket keepers. And I have taken a big risk by dropping Darcy Short. So don't take Darcy Shots for this team. You can take other players if you want. You can also replace Pope, the young spinner Pope, with O'Keefe if you want. Also, you can try Dan Christian as captain for this team. He might bowl 2 overs at least, and also he will bat at number 5. In Team 5, Hanscom as captain and Felipe as VC. And in this team, I have dropped Hughes, and once again I have taken the big risk by dropping a Darcy Short, who can be very important player today. In this team, I have taken 3 bowlers from each side. You can replace Boland with Pope if you want. Gurinder Sandhu also is a very good bowler, but he's kind of an expensive bowler. In Team 6, Felipe as captain and Short as VC. This team can be an important team. And in this team, I have dropped Wiljax, who will be the opener for Hobart Hurricanes team. And you can take Dan Christian for O'Keefe or Pope. Dan Christian can take wickets. In Team 7, Vince as captain and Ingram as VC. Once again, I have dropped Darcy Shots. So don't take him. We have to drop him in 2 to 3 teams. And you can take, once again, you can take Dan Christian if you want. If you feel you can take more wickets. This is the 7 Grand League teams for today's match. Give me a thumbs up and share this video if you like this video. Subscribe our YouTube channel if you're not already. Thanks for watching.